This week was a crazy one with some big plays in the market, and we are up very handsomely. Starting off in the brokerage account, we went from $25,362 to $26,184, roughly an $822 gain. Next up in the Roth IRA, we had a little bit more volatile of a week, starting at $15,916 and moving all the way up to $16,080, a $163 gain. Looking at our biggest gain on the week, I did manage to buy Netflix pre-earnings. I got 11 shares at $9,581. Was able to flip that out at $10,257. I kind of figured Netflix was going to have an amazing earnings, as I said in the last video, just given they've put out a clean slate of content in that Q4 that allowed for them to have more subscribers than anybody would have possibly imagined, which was able to rip up that stock price. Our next biggest gainer on the Roth IRA side is Amazon, up 3.43% on the week. We were actually able to snag this one at a lower price, up about 5%. I think I snagged it the week prior, but still a good buy, just looking for a long-term hold. Next up, we have our biggest loser being ASML. We actually hold quite a bit of ASML. It was up last week. Going into this week, it's had a rough week, down 4% on the week. Definitely seeing some potential in this position still, not getting rid of it. This one's going to be a long-term hold. Does suck to see it go down in the short term, though. ASML does have earnings coming in on January 29th there, so I definitely will be keeping an eye on that as well. If the position does seem to dip down quite a bit, I will probably be just adding more to that position. And then our second biggest loser on the week is Apple. Apple's been down for quite a while now, but buying in, I kind of expected to catch a little bit of a rip on this stock throughout the week. It's just slowly died down. We are looking to be down just a little bit shy of 3% since we bought in. One thing I do like about Apple coming into next week is that we do have that earnings coming in on January the 30th there. I do expect to see some movement out of this stock either to the upside or to the downside. I will be looking into it a little bit more to try and make a play on it, kind of like how I did with Netflix. So keep an eye out, as I do hope to have an earnings prediction video out sometime early next week. Wrapping up our week, we had $965 in gains with $150 in deposits, bringing our total up to $1,115 in total growth. And if you didn't catch my video from earlier in the week where I bought over $12,000 in stocks, be sure to go check it out now.